All right, spent some time today restoring this old Craftsman Atlas Lathe. It was pretty rusted. Did a lot of cleaning and lubing and, breaking stuff loose. Cleaning the ways, the tailstock, the carriage, the chuck, and getting the quick change gearbox to loosen up. And it all seems to be working. I even managed to turn a little bit of aluminum. But here, let's show you the carriage feed functioning. Works. Goes the other way as well. And then I didn't know this, but I can also unlock that and I can lock that, and now the carriage feed works on the cross slide. There you go. And of course the other way. So just a little more work to do. I think needs a lot of cosmetic TLC, but it's a functioning lathe now, and I'm gonna get to figure out how to cut some threads. I think this might only work with SAE. I'd like to figure out how to convert to metric, but we'll see. I got a little bit of experimentation to do. That's it for now.